Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRWN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious for this one, but what a monster move here. Big volume, nice price reaction. So I had quite a few requests on it. So let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk about areas of resistance. The ideal level of support, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the bulls can hang up over 0016, that would make things look very, very powerful. Now, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined, but if the price can stay above it, yeah, definitely a best case scenario. Next level of support after the ideal, down there at that point, which is, let's see, 0011. So 0016, 001 near-term levels of support, but taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, and really kind of more of a simple way to look at things is it's all about the purple line there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving, so as time goes by, this is essentially like a trend line that draws itself for you. So when you stop and think about it, well, what does the price need to do in order to stay above an uptrending trend line? Well, the price itself needs to continue to uptrend, and that by definition is what a bullish move is, right? And that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they basically insult your intelligence. So case in point here, how do you measure the health of the move? As long as the price is above that purple line going forward, the bulls are in full health, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? At this point, just going to focus on one. I'll explain that in a second. But the key level right now, 0024, sort of a random spot, but according to the history of the chart, you can see that numerous occasions there's price actually got up above it a little bit. There hit directly off it, and then right there couldn't quite get above it. So just trying to split the ground, so that's why 0024. And the reason I'm just picking one is, in my opinion at least, breaking levels of resistance, not really the top priority. Top priority is just building higher bases, and with the higher bases is how those long-term uptrends can be built. So no doubt about it, very nice day today. It'll be interesting to see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum going forward. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click that image right there and I will email you the guide. The guide is very short, it's to the point, and like I said, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.